Welcome to Seven Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video today, I've got a treat for you. We're going to be testing out the GoSun solar cooking oven. You can check out more info about this too at gosunstove.com. But pretty much I'm going to break this apart, get all the components out, show you how this stove works, and I hope it's a help to you. This is a great prep that you can put back, especially if you're a tiny house owner, if you have a homestead, etc. You want an extra cooking option that you can use straight up with solar. It's hard to beat this right here. So with that said, guys, let me get her unboxed and let's cook some food. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to go over some information here real quickly before we get to cooking. Comes with a carry bag. The packaging is great packaging. It's foam protected, everything. There's the unit itself we'll go over in just a second. Here is what we're going to be cooking in just a moment, some omelet bites. And this is one of the trays that it goes in. So we'll put that in that tray and we'll slide that in there to begin cooking. Comes with two of those, some holders that we'll get into in a second. Also right here, I believe this is to hold water. I'm going to read the rest of the instructions in a second and I can clarify on that. But with that said, guys, right here's the oven. And so we'll slide that feed tube into here, adjust that to the sun. And the angle that's coming in right now is perfect, so I'll set that over a little further on the driveway, and we should be able to get that cooking phenomenal here just shortly. Here, guys, before I slide that in there, as you can see, I'm started inserting that into the cook area. Here's our omelet bites, and I'm going to slide that in, adjust the solar angle, and we'll be cooking here shortly. Okay, guys, so this right here, you can fill up the water inside, and you can boil water. Got enough sun and enough time. We'll tinker with that here in a bit, but that's what that is. Now also on this unit you can mount it on a tripod and take the bottom stand off and mount it up higher if you wanted to. Like I said, it's got two cooking trays. That right there, you can use that to clean the interior outside or inside of it, and then of course it's got cooking trays, etc., to put stuff in so you don't get the get that nasty on the inside, and also use it to actually bake things into it. But right now it is currently 129 and I put those in there about 113, so I'm going to give them about 5 more minutes and then pull them out and see what we've got going. Now I believe the red dot right there is you lining that up with the sun. And I'm sorry, just trying to give you the best instructions as I'm reading through this today, and taking advantage of the good sunny bright day that we've got, because it has been cloudy for days here, guys. But give me just a minute. I'm going to do a little bit more further investigation on all this as it's working. I'm going to get out of the way so I'm not shading this, but let that cook just a little bit longer and then we'll see what we got from there. Cooking right there. One other thing I wanted to point out is as far as boiling water, with the tube right there for the water boil, you can turn that vertical on the stand itself, or like I said, if you take it off, put it on a tripod, you can turn it vertical on its mount and upright into the sun, and that way your water is boiling upright and it's not to the side where it can just get hot and pop the lid off. But that's for the vertical cooking instructions right there as well. But I'm gonna give this about 2-3 more minutes, and I think we'll be good to go. I'll show you right here on the instructions. I was looking on the cooking. According to what it says right here, this is pretty much around the frozen foods, egg omelet kind of thing. I kind of use that as a guidepost just to see how quickly we could do with this thing. And it pretty much calls for 20 minutes, and we're pretty much in good sun. I wouldn't say it's like full sun. I think the Joker's done some chemtrail spray last night because there's that gray haze in the sky, so we'll just say good sun. But pretty much it looks like that's about 20 minutes is the ballpark for reheating frozen foods and egg omelet type thing, and that's pretty much what we have in there. So we'll give it 2-3 more minutes and then we'll pop it out. Alright guys, so it's been approximately 20 minutes. I put those in to roughly 113. It is now 134, so right at about 20 minutes. Scoot this over. pull this out. Oh my goodness, those are very soft. Now I put those in hard, okay, and they're super soft, cooked through now. I want to show you one that hasn't been cooked, just for clarification. As you can see right here, this one's hard as a brick. I mean, hard as a brick. You know, throw it as a softball and hit somebody. This one right here, you can see it's cooked through, super soft. Peel her open here. Very good. Good stuff. All right, now what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna get my breakfast goodies out. We're gonna turn this vertical, and then we're gonna boil some water. You can spring pull that back and adjust the back on it to make it upright. Right here, got fresh water in there that's just cold. I put it in as cold as possible. I'm gonna load that up the top. It is starting at 137 right now. So we'll see how long it takes to boil that water. Come back, check on it. I'm gonna give it another 15-20 minutes. We'll check on it, see how we do. I'm gonna try to line that up and get the red dot center to that. Just get that propped up a little more perfect to the solar angle to the sun, and then we'll come back, check our results in a minute. As you can see right here now, I've about got that into the target where you want to have that lined up to the sun. Anyway, I used the water spigot weatherization cover to get that propped up the rest of the way. But now you can also, like I said, use a tripod. You can use a larger mount setup if you want to. But yeah, we'll come back, check this here shortly, guys, and I'll let you know the results. All right, guys, I had to move this back a little bit because the sun was not hitting on that area in the pavement anymore. But we'll open her up, and that is hot, hot, hot. Let's see what we got inside here. Yep, looking good. And pour this out some. Yeah, buddy, that is hot. Flip. Sorry, guys. Yeah, you can see right there. Definitely already been steaming away up on top of there. So I mean, I'm telling you, for such a little thing, it is it'll get it done. So you know, you can cook and you can boil water too, guys. So just a first-class piece of equipment. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Make sure to check out the information in the video description below to GoSun. Also, there's a link down there as well. In with the link, there's information for a coupon code to help you get some money off if you decide to purchase you one of these. Pretty neat product. I mean, here's the deal. In 30 minutes time frame, had I not been like doing this review and setting it up, you figure out the time in between there, I was able in 30 minutes roughly to cook some food and can boil some water too. So pretty neat. I mean, all in all, that's a great way to save fuel and resources. Trying to cook food off grid later on, you can just do it using the power of the sun. So guys, make sure to check that information out. And as always, till we see you again here at Seven Trumpets Prepper Channel, I hope the Most High Yah baruch you and keep you, make his face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you shalom, my friends. In Yahushua's name.